Hello, my name's Don. I'm from Manchester in England. I came to Hangzhou 21 years ago to run a trading company, and I have been here ever since. So sitting here beside the Grand Canal in Hangzhou reminds me a lot of the Manchester Ship Canal. Both are working canals, and the Manchester Ship Canal and the Hangzhou Canal has been used for transporting coal, iron ore and textiles around the country.
The Grand Canal was listed as a World Heritage Site in 2014. With a history of more than 2,500 years, it served as a significant transportation artery in ancient China. The Manchester Ship Canal in Domoro's homeland was opened in 1894. The inland waterway links Manchester to the Irish Sea.
The canal system and the Manchester Ship Canal was very famous during the Industrial Revolution, when Britain was a very powerful industrial nation. And it was the infrastructure that helped, as I said before, to get commodities around Britain.
With the rapid development of modern society, the two canals have become more than just waterways. The Gongchen Bridge area, once a busy ferry terminal along the Grand Canal, witnessed the development of the fabric processing industry in Hangzhou. Some historical buildings have been well preserved, and tourists can visit museums and experience intangible cultural heritage here. As the water quality of the canal improved, all kinds of water sports sprang up. In 2016, a canoeing club was opened on the Xitang River, a tributary of the canal.
Very good. A little scary to start with, but it was a lot of fun.
它在欧美非常的流行。近些年它引到中国之后呢，也受到中国国内的很多水上运动的爱好者的一个欢迎，非常的流行。现在在咱们中国。
Thousands of miles away in Britain, Chinese water sports also gained popularity on the Manchester Ship Canal. The Dragon Boat Race Festival has been launched in Southwold Quays since 2012.
Today really is a celebration of community. It's a celebration of cooperation. It's a celebration of sportsmanship, which speaks to traditional Chinese culture. And obviously we're reliving some of that today here in the city of Salford.
The canals are acting as conduits of cultural inheritance and communication.
Now, a lot of the canals you can pass by, and beside the canals they have bars, coffee shop, restaurants, museums, and it's a very nice way to enjoy the water again.